So hello and welcome to the office, which is located immediately adjacent to and nearby the man cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. This has almost no relation to a lot of other things that we do on the channel, but I couldn't help sharing. This was a gift from my grandson who recently spent a few weeks in England studying at Pembrook College in Oxford, near Oxford, and he knows I'm a gearhead, and he thought so much of me that he brought this back, and this is pretty weighty, he brought it back, but it's a model. It's an Indianapolis model. It says it's an authentic model. Well, how authentic. And I just have to share this. This is the coolest thing ever. Comes out. He says he got it at one of his favorite bookshops near the campus. Anybody's been to England know they have, if you can find the right one, there are some excellent curio, like shops you can wander into and find some very interesting relics. It's well packaged. Got some pieces of rubber in there. Might save these, by the way. You never know. These sometimes can come in useful as insulators and pads when you're doing modifications and changing to the machines. But she lifts right out and is awesome. It is beautiful. I've got to say, this thing is the coolest thing ever. Sam, I am so happy to be your granddad and so elated that you decided to share this with me. This is heavy enough that I suspect that they used it. By the way, it is by AM, Authentic Wheels Company. I guess that's who it is. It's metal. It's actual metal. There's some simulated cloth in the seating area. The wheels roll. They're spoked. They have knockoff wheels. We call them knockoffs here in the US. I think in England you call them knock-ons. But I believe that what this is, really great detail on the radiator. I believe that what this is a modified version or legacy version of the type of car they used to call spin dizzies. Spin dizzies sometimes just had an airplane propeller on the back. Other more elaborate ones had a airplane motor. They all had internal combustion airplane motors that drove through a differential to the rear wheels. And in the days before radio control, you'd have a little place on the side of it to tie up a cord or a piece of wire. String was not strong enough. And you drive a nail into a parking lot and fire this thing up and run like heck to get out of the way or jump over the top of it and then watch it race around and around in a circle. So I believe this may even be a legacy of those spin dizzies. But in the short clip by saying thank you to very grateful. My grandson knows I collect certain types of automobile models and cars and things like that. And just got to say thank you, Sam. Really, really love this model. Take care out there.